How to make a game pass in Roblox mobile. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this video. Starting off, make sure that you have installed your Roblox application in your mobile device and it is up to date. Now before that, you need to log in to your Roblox application. So if you have not yet, log in to your account. Then select the option of More and select Create from the list of options. Now right here you are in your Creator Hub. You need to tap on the three horizontal line that is in your left hand side corner at the top. So go ahead and tap on it and select Creations. You will see Your Place. You need to tap on Your Place. Tap on the three lines again, and on the monetization you have to check out the option of passes. Now you will see a create a pass option. Just tap on it. You can change the photograph. Make sure that it is in the format of JPG, PNG or BMP. Now create a name of your pass. Now you can add a description of your pass, however this is totally optional. Then just select create pass. Now just like that, you have created the pass. Now as you can see, it is in off sale. To keep it on sale, select your pass again, tap on the three line icon and select sales. Toggle on item for sale and enter the price in Roblox, then tap on save changes. By this way, you have created a pass that is saleable with some of the profit in Roblox for you. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.